So I'm going to take my rack of lamb and I'm going to season it with some house seasoning. All right, now I've got my black cast iron skillet heated up over here, and I'm just gonna brown these racks of lamb off. We're not gonna cook them totally in this pan. We're just gonna kind of sear them off. All right, now this is nice and browned off, and now I'm gonna transfer this to the oven. Doesn't that look good? I'm putting it in a preheated 375-degree oven, and I'm going to let it continue to roast off until it's the temperature that I like it. And I prefer my lamb medium, where I eat my beef a medium rare. Because of that stronger flavor in lamb, I like it cooked a little bit more. And it's really not going to take that long because those lamb racks are really not that big. Our rack of lamb is ready. This whole meal is almost totally together. I just love all those little bones coming out.